Hey friend, it is Simply T again, and of course I'm back with another super beginner friendly hair review. If you want to see how I achieve these curls with this gorgeous 5x5 folded wig, you know what to do. Keep watching. I was so excited to receive this wig from True Glory Hair. They are literal legends in the game. And of course, take a look at this box that it came in. I am a sucker for amazing packaging, so it's already a plus for me from here. They sent over this gorgeous wig, and it's actually one of the newest wigs from their ready to wear collection, and it's called Imani. So let's open her up and check out some of the details on this wig together. Now, I love me an amazing color job on some human hair, so this wig did not disappoint. It comes in a combo of color 4 and 27, and I'm loving the color placement on this wig already. It also is glueless, so it comes with a super secure elastic band attached, as well as 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle and 1 right in the back, so you can feel nice and comfortable and secure while wearing the glueless option. Imani comes made with a 5x5 HD lace closure, and it appears to already be pre-bleached on the knots, which look amazing, and that HD lace is lacing, okay? It's 18 inches long, and it also comes with 200% density, so you know it's a whole lot of body and volume in this wig. My first impression of this wig so far is I am in love. The hair is super soft, naturally shiny, and for somebody that is still getting comfortable with wearing closures, it is just the perfect amount of HD lace that you need to make you feel comfortable with wearing something that is already blending in with your complexion. So now that we've unboxed it and taken a look at this wig, I'm just going to pluck it off camera and I'll meet you guys back here for the install. I'm already back from plugging because I really didn't have to do much on this hairline, so I'm just going to brush under that cap with a little bit of a matching foundation and get started. Okay, so I am done with the install of the Imani wig. Let's get into it. I didn't add too much product to this wig because I wanted to see exactly how it would look on its own. I wanted to see how much of the curls it would be able to retain without any extra mousse or curl serums or anything like that. All I added to it was some water in a spray bottle and some styling hair serum. That's pretty much it, just because I wanted to see how it would hold up. When I did go in to pluck the hairline a little bit earlier, I did use my hot comb just to help me along the way with the plucking process. So that straightened out the hair a little bit in the front. So I just wanted to spray some water on it just to see how easy it would be to get that curliness back. I absolutely love the softness of the curls. There's no crunchiness to it, and most times with curly wigs they tend to dry out even when you spray a little bit of water in it, so I'm happy to see that. I'm definitely loving the color of this wig. This is of course a color 4 and 27 combination wig. I love the fact that they added the highlights of the kind of blonde streaks to the front just to frame the face with this hair. Now, if you're not new to this channel, you know how much I love big hair, which is why even though I had to comb out the curls to add the water and the serum to it, I'm not going to do too much. I'm trying to avoid combing it out because I know once this hair finally settles that it's going to be nice and lovely and full. As far as the lace goes on this closure wig, you know the lace is amazing when it gives a complete skin match and melt without you even cutting the lace off or adding any adhesive or spray or mousse down to the hairline to let it match. So that was one of the things that instantly caught my attention that I absolutely love about the Imani wig. I did not have to bleach the knots like I thought I would. Some wigs do come pre-bleached and then you have to go in every now and then and just do a little more bleaching because some of the knots are visible. With this particular unit, that was not the case. I guess when True Glory says that their wigs come out of the pack ready to wear, they mean it. And this is just about how much came out during the combing process. Literally, this is it. So little to no shedding at all with this unit. I can do it for you in real time just so you see that I'm not exaggerating. I'm kind of combing through, and yeah, it's just these few strings that are coming out, so it's not coming out in clumps or anything like that. So that is definitely another plus. This has to be probably one of the most beginner friendly human hair closure wigs that I've ever tried on for myself or shared on my channel, and that's simply because this came with an elastic band and it is truly ready to wear straight out of the pack. The lace, I didn't really have to manipulate it too much. I only went ahead and added some of my lace tint to kind of camouflage my stocking cap underneath it for being a lot lighter than the lace. So the lace matched my skin complexion a whole lot better than my makeup did on my stocking cap. The elastic band is not tight or uncomfortable at all. What I liked about the particular elastic band that came on this unit was the fact that it has hooks and little latches. So if you wanted to tighten it up a little bit more than what I have it on right now, you can. If you want to hook it to the last extension of hooks and clasps to make it stretch out a lot larger, that is definitely possible as well. So I love how versatile the sizing of the cap and the elastic band is as well. Honestly, outside of that, I don't really have that many complaints, if any, about this particular wig so far. I love the volume of it, the color. Now, you know, when it comes to coloring, especially involving bleach or anything like that with a curly wig, things can get a little shaky when you achieve the brightness you want, but you lose out on the curl. And that's why I was happy to see that the curls sprung right back even with just a little bit of water and, you know, some oil serum in the hair. If you want any details about the Imani wig or other wigs from True Glory Hair, you know exactly what to do. Go down in my description box where you'll find the link on this hair, all of the details, the pricing, and how you can get a special anniversary discount price on this wig. I think it's an amazing investment, and this is definitely a major keeper. It's of course a closure wig and not a frontal, so even though it does not go ear to ear, it saves time and effort and product when it comes to putting this wig on and just heading where you got to go. Shout out once again to True Glory Hair for sending me this Imani wig to share with you guys, and I am loving this wig. I'm ready to go outside and show it to everybody else. So you know what to do. I'm going to show you a couple of angles, and I'll meet you in the comment sections so you can let me know what you think of this wig or any other True Glory Hair products or units that you've tried or heard of before. Once again, guys, thank you for clicking play. I will catch you same place right here next time. Okay, peace out.